Careers and education. Here's an overview of the presentation, the outlines I'm going to be talking about, and the main points I'm going to hit on. The most significant development of the past. HDMI made it possible for the better picture resolution of most modern monitors, and touchscreen phones and just everyday life continues to improve because of it. The invention of the barcode may be a few years older, but just recently it has been commemorated into the IEEE milestone group. Out of only about 100 other inventions, the barcode makes shopping really simple. Just by swiping the barcode across the specialized light, it can tell what the item is and the price that's been set for it, and the light is actually refracted by the lines of the barcode back into the machine that emits it. And the refracted light is sent back to the item. It can be traced to what it is and how much it costs. The most significant development in the future. The idea of a self-powered car is one that I'm sure many have thought about. While driving, the one hits your car, which means you're actually charging your car, which gives it the energy to move simply by driving it. So startup would be probably electric, perhaps solar powered, and there are some flaws that need to be fixed, but perhaps we can see what's going on in the future. Modern supercomputers can be constructed to be laptops, phones, tablets, Kindles, almost modern technology, whatever you name. Everything's faster downloading, browsing, you name it. Technology, you can get on the internet wirelessly from a mobile device. You can create a hotspot with that device, and just it's really great what you can do with a supercomputer. The most significant global or societal issue. Global warming has to be one of the main issues in today's world. With all the ice caps melting and the resources depleting, it's only a matter of time until the world goes a little bit dark. New power sources or improvement on that would be direly needed if our children's children are to grow up with the resources that we have. We already have our natural energy sources, yet they're not going to be enough. They cost too much or aren't as efficient as we need them to be, and the engineers need to invent new ways to improve on the existing ones or make new ones. Careers or jobs lost. Switchboard operators are lost a couple years back, or the job is actually still dying off today. The operator would reroute your call on a different circuit in order to connect you to another person speaking across the globe. One thing that was sometimes a hassle was the wait for if all circuits were being used up and you couldn't get through. And on top of that, long distance calls cost us a lot. And with new cell phones, long distance could be achieved manually. Careers or jobs to be expected. Jobs are to be expected are also ones that will help solve the world's global problem, a source of machinery to clean the air of carbon dioxide, and perhaps even a new source of energy. It'll take a lot of thought and experimentation, but if one is found, the whole world will change. My ideal job. Jobs opening up in electrical engineering are of course jobs such as wiring trains for GE or creating circuits for specific jobs. There are always cases where companies need an engineer to create a plan to work for a specific cause or purpose. Communicating equipment is always changing from cell phones and email to new Bluetooth and wireless communicating. Engineering plays a huge role in the medical field. Diagnosis, monitoring treatments, and therapy. Engineers make it possible to solve problems that we could save lives for. My ideal job would be to stay local and to do something I enjoy. I'd love to be taught hands-on on the job training, to hopefully one day be a master of what I studied for. Have coworkers that are also labeled as friends and be a family in a way, family a little way from home. I would need a full set of tools including screwdrivers, hammers, pliers, nut drivers, strippers, etc. On a day-to-day basis, I would like to solve problems of faulty equipment or perhaps create my own design that could make life easier for everyone. Money is always a good thing, but I'd rather enjoy what I do for less money than hate what I do for more money.